Hey guys, today we will be reviewing Busties. It is a breast tape kit. Disclaimer, it will be a very real, raw review. I've never used breast tape before or anything like that, so we're just gonna get right on into it. This is the packaging that it came in. It comes with these type of nipple covers, like silicone. There are 2 of them in there. It comes with a pack of these flower pasty ones, a roll of tape, a little bag for it all to go in, and a step-by-step instruction manual. Your girl needs instructions, right? So if you read it, if you need it, you know, it comes with how to apply, and on the back how to remove. So we're just going to get right down in. I have already applied on one side, so this is the unapplied side and this is the applied side. So you can tell, we're gonna stand up though. Let's see if I can get my 1 second. Okay, so we're back. Okay, so this is the side that is obviously not lifted, not covered, and this is, it is fully covered. Let me just add that. I wasn't really sure how much to put on. You can obviously see this one is sitting up way better than this one is. There is a little bulging, but I'm pretty sure if I, keep practicing on how to put it on, it will look great. The only thing I will say is, this shirt is see-through, so it is not the product or whatever, but I can still see it, so I will not be wearing it with this. I would probably wear like a strapless bra or something. Figure it out somehow, but until I practice some more. But like, if I can get this like in and just, if you couldn't tell, it'd be great. But I still think it's amazing. You can clearly see like the difference, so it's a 10 out of 10, and you guys should definitely run and get it and tag me in your reviews. Tell me what I'm doing wrong. Anyways, love you. Bye. Mwah.